The transfer case on the Porsche Cayenne takes the same fluid as the automatic transmission fluid. Here's how to change it. Drive the Cayenne for a few minutes to warm all the fluids up. You want a good amount of clearance to comfortably work under there. We'll have to fit a tall fluid container later to pump up transmission fluid and gear oil. It's also necessary that the vehicle is level, since that will impact filling. So behind the transmission oil sump there is our transfer case. This is our drain port. This is our fill port. The manufacturer recommends to replace these. I'm going to try doing it without replacing it. We'll basically remove these 8mm hex bits, open up the fill port first, then the drain port, and then pump some transmission fluid, about a quart, until it comes out of the fill port. And then we're done with the transfer case. Using a hex bit, we remove the filler plug, make sure we can refill it before draining it, and then we drain the fluid. Once the fluid has drained, we reinstall the drain plug and take particular care because the case is very fragile. 15 foot-pounds is too much, just hand tighten. With the drain plug at the bottom reinstalled, pump up transmission fluid until it starts trickling out of the top. We hand tighten the fill plug with a ratchet and then we're done. At this point, we lower the vehicle. At this point, your Cayenne should have new life. I appreciate you tuning in and consider liking the video and subscribing if this helped.